This is my little cute compact balcony garden. It has got all sorts of tropical plants for aglaonemas, calatheas, dumcanes, syngoniums, dracaenas, pothos, peace lily, humalina, and all sorts of plants which can survive in a very nice bright lit conditions. Also can be kept indoor whenever I feel like decorating my house. I love this small balcony garden. This is a part of who I am, and this gives me so much peace and calmness and serenity. I just don't have the words how much I love my little corner. It's just so peaceful and soulful at the same time. Bye, guys.